The photon, the most basic particle of light. With wave-like properties as proved by Einstein, photons are all around us. In everything, the foundation of all life. From photosynthesis to human sight, it's the fuel that powers the natural world. But the photon powers something else. It's at the heart of our 3D printing technology. We've harnessed the power of light to bring you Einstein. Our industrial strength projector generates a highly efficient 385 nanometer wavelength that's as close as you can get to natural light. And with a state-of-the-art lens perfected over decades of tireless research and development, NanoFit 385 allows for exceptionally precise curing, printing applications with stunning clarity. Perfect fit, and a finish that looks astonishingly natural. And now, through Hyperprint, we harness the power of heat and closed-loop processes to deliver applications in minutes, not hours. We're shining a spotlight on a photon in a striking new way. The basis of all life in a world that will never be the same. Introducing Einstein, the perfect fit.